Thanks for having me here today. Unfortunately, I couldn't be there in person. I'm calling from Ottawa, Canada, where we still have almost 10 feet of snow. But hopefully everybody is warm and comfortable there. First of all, I want to thank Avinash and Suresh for putting together this conference. It must be very exciting for all of you to be there. You know, starting a SaaS company is a lot of hard work. It's kind of like getting in shape. You spend a lot of time at the gym working hard, and sometimes it feels like you're not making much progress. But if you stick with it over time, it can be extremely rewarding and a great business, especially at this time in history. You know, when I started Guides.co, it was just after starting the first startup accelerator here in Ottawa, Canada, which is a tech hub in our country. And at the time, there was a lot of people talking about different ideas on how to start a business, a lot of inspirational speeches, but it was really hard to find detailed information on specifically how to do certain tasks, like how to raise money, how to get your first user, how to price your product. And that's really the driving force behind Guides.co. We worked with great entrepreneurs like Steve Blank, Mark McLeod, all kinds of great entrepreneurs, and we took their success and put it into almost like a project plan or a recipe that you'd be able to follow as an entrepreneur and be able to kind of pick and choose which pieces can work for your business. Now it's been almost a year and a half later, and it's been extremely successful. We have almost 100,000 active users. Our product is used by a lot of multinational companies as well as startups. Companies like Microsoft, Philips, VMware, they use our product now on their website in order to provide guides or blueprints for their customers on best practices in the industry. It's used by many companies for internal processes on how do they manage day-to-day operations. And it's been really rewarding for me to see how so many people have been using these guides as a way of sharing their knowledge. And on the other side, that people have been able to capture this and actually make a difference in their business or in their lives. And that's something that is really important to me, that we're giving back and that we can actually see the progress and see that we're actually having an impact on people in the world. And that's something that is a message I try to share with a lot of entrepreneurs is, while you're working on the bottom line and you're trying to make a sustainable business, you should really be constantly thinking about how can I really help my customers? How can I connect with them in a way that makes them successful? And I've never seen somebody fail who wakes up every morning trying to figure out how do I make my customer happy? How do I make them successful? So I really hope that you'll take the opportunity now that you're starting your own business, now that you're trying to launch and grow your SaaS business, that you're thinking about the customer and how you can make a difference in their lives. I invite you to go check out Guides.co. There's some great guides on there. A lot of them are free, especially there's a great guide by Mark McLeod on the metrics for SaaS. Go check it out, and hopefully, as your business grows, you'll consider using Guides.co in order to be able to have a greater impact and help your customers. Have a great conference. Thanks a lot, and hope to connect with you on Guides.co. Bye.